channel, and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm gonna make something that normally I only eat on special occasions. It's mac and cheese, something that everybody loves, adults, kids, everybody. So if you want to see how I make mine, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on those notifications just in case whenever I do put up a video, you'll be the first to know. And thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. Welcome to the family. So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I'm going to start off with 4 cups of dry macaroni pasta. Regular pasta, you can find it easily in the pasta section of any grocery store. So I went ahead and I boiled a big pot of water, and first things first, you guys, you got to season your water, and I mean really season, like 1/3 of a cup of salt. You really want your pasta to taste really good, so that's why it's so important to season your water before you cook your pasta. And now I'm ready to add the pasta into the water, and you just want to take a spoon and just stir it a little bit just to make sure that it's not stuck to the bottom of the pot. And you want to cook the pasta for around 7 minutes or until the pasta is al dente, and that's just slightly undercooked, and it's gonna finish cooking in the oven later on. And while that's cooking, I'm going to use 3 types of cheeses, starting off with 4 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. And I'm going to use 3 cups of mozzarella cheese. And also 2 cups of pepper jack cheese. I really love this cheese, one of my faves. So 7 minutes went by, and I want to check the pasta just to see if it's perfectly cooked and al dente, and it is. So I'm going to take it off the stove and drain it, because the last thing you want to do is overcook your pasta. It will come out mushy and not very good. So I'm going to drain the pasta and put it right back in the same pot. So now I'm going to put together the milk ingredients, and in a separate bowl I'm going to use 2 cans of evaporated milk. And I'm also going to add 1/3 of a cup of whole milk, but you can use whatever percentage that you like. And I'm also going to add and scramble 2 eggs into the milk mixture. I didn't want to add it directly into the pasta. It was still hot, and I didn't want my eggs to cook and scramble. So this is what the mixture looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and add it to the cooked pasta. And just grab a spoon and begin stirring and mixing everything together. Now I'm going to add half of all the cheeses, and I'm going to put the other half once I put the macaroni in the casserole dish. So I'm going to start off with the sharp cheddar cheese. And here is the mozzarella cheese. And the pepper jack cheese. Now again, just grab a spoon and begin mixing everything together. And now I'm ready to season it with some garlic salt, some black pepper, and some smoked paprika, but you can also use the regular paprika. Now as I continue to stir and season up my macaroni and cheese, you definitely want to taste test it, make sure that it's well seasoned. The pasta was actually seasoned really well from the boiled salt water that I cooked it in earlier. So this is all done, and I'm going to move it over to the casserole dish, and I'm going to pour in all of my creamy macaroni and cheese. And now I'm just going to top it off with the other half of the cheeses that I used before, the sharp cheddar cheese and the mozzarella cheese and the pepper jack cheese. And now at the very end, I'm just going to top it off with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'm just going to place it all around the top, and it's going to melt and just create another level of flavor. So I went ahead and I preheated the oven at 375 degrees, and I'm going to let it bake between 25 and 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes of baking in the oven, this is what it looks like, macaroni that's creamy and cheesy. Even though I only make this on very special occasions, when I do, I enjoy it every time, and I really hope you guys enjoy this too. But that's it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share this video with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments section down below and let me know what you think. Before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking that box you see right there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.